Hello everybody. I start eating raw mustard seed because, as you can see on Google, it has so many benefits. And although it was very hard for me to find a way to eat it, I finally found that works for me, which is I grind it here and I use my homemade capsule maker that I got from Amazon. I make capsule. That's it. This is the process. I should have grinded it a little more, but I was rushing for the purpose of the video. And this is really self-explanatory. Push it down. As I said in many of my video, I narrate because there's some people who doesn't like to read subtitle, including me. So that's why I'm narrating it. Here it is. I clean it up. And next, just push the lid. Oh, the orange one prevents the lid from falling. And push it down. That's it. That's all. As they say, voila on French. Canadian, although I do not live in Quebec. Here it is. I take one for lunch, one for dinner. Now I'm up to 2. I don't think I'll increase anymore because it's really heavy. So, for those of you who wish to purchase the capsule maker, I got it from Amazon. All you need to know is the capsule maker size. Here it is 00, determines the actual size of the empty capsule that you will be getting. And that's it. The rest, you'll get the instruction. I hope you enjoy it. Stay happy, healthy, wealthy, everyone. That's my wish for everyone. Bye.